guys, today I'm just going to show you a quick garlic chicken recipe. So the first thing I'm going to start out with is I cut up some purple and white onion just because I just had a little bit of white onion, and I'm going to put that on the bottom of my dish here. So I'll go ahead and do that. Alright, so once you have onion on the bottom of your dish, you're just going to go ahead and layer your chicken pieces down. I've already cleaned my chicken. And I'm just using breast today, but you can use like a whole chicken or whatever that you have on hand for chicken. Alright, so then after I do that, and this is going to marinate right in the same dish that I'm going to bake it in. So that's fine, even if you have like a disposable pan that you want to use, that's great too. So after that, then I'm just going to go ahead and put some garlic that I've cut up. I cut up 2 cloves of garlic, the whole ones. From my brother's garden. Thank you. Okay, so just sprinkle those on there. And then I also am going to put down, I'm not going to measure it, but just some chopped up garlic as well. Just sprinkle that on there. Alright, so as you can see, it's plenty of garlic. And then we're going to just sprinkle some black pepper. And some salt. So I'm literally just eyeing everything. Some basil. Onion powder, and I'm putting plenty on here because I'm going to let this sit in the refrigerator throughout the day, so I'll turn it over periodically so that each piece gets seasoned on both sides. That was garlic powder, and then I'm going to put some paprika. And then I'm also going to put some duck sauce. So I'm just going to scoop some duck sauce on here. Alright, that's good. And then some tomato sauce. This is fresh tomato sauce, but you can use it out of a can too. It's fine. Alright, and then that's it. I'm just going to cover this to put it in the refrigerator. Turn it periodically throughout the day. Let it marinate, season, and then I'm going to put it in the oven for an hour, covered at 350. And then you're going to uncover it and baste it for the last half hour until your chicken's done. And that's it. Enjoy!